Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I'll show you how to fix common Windows Update issues. So let's get started. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply tap on the search bar, then type in File Explorer, tap onto it, and inside here you want to go ahead and scroll below, then tap on this PC, and now you want to go ahead and simply find the drive where the Windows is installed. It is usually the C drive marked with a Windows logo. Double tap onto it, and then inside here you want to go ahead and simply tap on the Windows folder. Now inside here, search for a folder called Software Distribution, tap onto it, and then tap on Download. Now inside here, you want to go ahead and simply select everything inside this folder. You can either press Ctrl A to select all and then tap on Delete. If prompted, you want to go ahead and tap on Do This for all current items and then tap Continue. And once you have deleted all files inside the download folder, simply restart your computer. This will refresh the Windows Update system and fix most temporary issues. And that's it. You have now cleared the software distribution cache to fix Windows Update error. Thank you all for watching and stay tuned until our next upload.